So what do you do when you have a bunch of metal laying in the floor of your garage, but you can't put it up on your shelves because it's coming off the wall here and this small bracket's already bending? Okay, so here's how we're going to fix it. Just got back from welding class, and the class before us, the, I don't know, structural class or something they're doing, this was their project to make some heavy-duty brackets. So they didn't want them, and they've been sitting there for a week or whatever, and the instructor was getting ready to throw them in the scrap bin. So I said, hey, are you throwing those away? And he's like, yeah, just take them if you want them. So they already, I guess, cut that out with a torch or plasma cutter or something. So I should be able to get me one right through here, and then I'll need to put another lag down here in the bottom. So actually that might be enough to get all the way through, but I'll probably put one right here. So really all I need to do is take it over there on my drill press and drill me 2 holes for some lag bolts and mount them up there. So that's what I'm going to get done do. And I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. I may just use 2 in those spots like I said. One definitely down there on the other side of the window because I have a really small, I don't even know, I think it's an 8-inch bracket, so it's kind of small and stuff falls off the end sometimes. And then definitely one right there where it's bending, and then I'll probably put a nice lag bolt in the one that's coming off the wall. So yeah, but these are pretty simple to make, it looks like, and that's a 1/4-inch angle iron, so they're heavy duty. It'll just be a matter of getting a good lag bolt into that stud so that it'll do well. And I think, if I remember right, they bend this here so it's not welded right there. It's actually cut in the inside, and then they bend it down so it's still just one piece, and then they cut this piece to fit inside there. So should be pretty strong, hold up all the metal I have. Maybe I'll get my bigger one out. Okay, let's get this out. This is a sharper, smaller bit, so it should work. It was cutting pretty good, but couldn't get it tight enough in that keyless chuck. So I'm gonna try this one now and see how it works. Try to save time, you know, but I guess I just need to learn how to spin that around and I'd be done already. If you know how to use those grizzlies and spin them around so that you can get bigger stuff in, from what I understand, those the bench top style, you can kind of swing around and still get a good amount of distance in them, you know, instead of having a floor one. But I may be wrong. It may tip over if you try to do that. But I think ours swivels around almost 180 degrees, so you could do it off the back. But I'll have to read on it and check. Okay, well, I almost had that one done, so that doesn't count. But I'm going to put this one about right here, not quite all the way at the bottom, so that I can get through the hole they already cut. Pressing too hard. Dang it. Yeah, maybe I got enough I can use this thing now. There we go. All right, let me get the other one. I'm not going to put you through the misery of that one. And wow. Don't ever do that again. Those aren't even screws, they're nails. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was in a hurry. There, that pulled that right up to the wall. Don't have to worry about it falling again. Get this guy out of here. I've got everything raised up on a board over there, so this should be pretty close to where it goes. Okay. I'm going to put a series of extensions and a little 1/4" bit, 1/4" socket to hold the bit, and that should reach in there. Okay. I'll tighten them up with the real ratchet and the T40 that I have. Okay, there's one. Okay, now it's just time to load the metal up there. I'm gonna put him all the way in the back too, on top of that other one.
Okay.
Just put him right there, that's good. Yeah, it's working good. It'll all fit, and I can leave some out further. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other two up, I think. Wait. See, because if I had one more right here on this stud. There we go. Cleaned up that area. Now I can start picking up the garage again and make room to work on cars and things and not have to step over this metal all the time. And I think I will go ahead and put the other two that we got up there. One right down on that, right above that one, that stud there. And then one right above the air hose right there. Anyway, as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.